If you've been on the website lately, you know that we've been talking a lot about industry trends and some emerging themes in society. And we've been trying really hard to tie those themes back to your everyday life and the things that you can see and observe. If there's one thing that's true about COVID and some of the different impacts it's having on society, it's that it's taking several years worth of change and it's compressing it into just a few months of lockdown. And so what I wanted to do today was bring you a little video to explain some of the themes that you're going to see and exactly how that's going to impact your life. And so, as you know, here at Chang Industrial, we always take a bias towards technology. And so we're going to be technology focused in our analysis today. So we're going to talk about the difference between automation and autonomy. Automated versus autonomous. And so what we want to do is focus on some high-level differences. Automated is basically programming a machine to perform a function. It could be business functions, it could be process functions, or it could be robotics. And it's the idea that a human told a machine what to do with computer code. And autonomy is adding in layers of sensors to that. The sensors provide the machine with real-time inputs from its environment. And then AI, or artificial intelligence, informs the machine how to interpret those sensors. And our machine now has a higher level of consciousness. One of the major things you will notice about automated machinery is that it's oftentimes separated from people. You'll see a fence around it or some sort of safety guarding that doesn't let a human get near the machinery. And the reason for that is the machine wants to perform its tasks efficiently without interference from humans. Similarly, it does not want to hurt the humans. So there's guarding around the machinery. As we start to introduce sensors, the machines can become sensitive to the people around it, which now introduces the idea of cobotics or collaborative robotics. So the introduction of sensors to advanced robotics takes us from automated to autonomous, and it creates a new level of capabilities. It allows our machinery to be more flexible, and it also allows it to be more safe around people. Examples of autonomous technology are simple Roombas that you might have in your house. A Roomba performs its task using sensors and it never falls down the stairs. Many people on the road today are driving Teslas. This is an advanced piece of machinery with a lot of artificial intelligence and sensors. And then at the highest level would be fully driverless vehicles such as a Google Waymo vehicle, which are equipped with the highest levels of sensors and a lot of computing power to interpret those sensor inputs to drive safely on the road. As this type of technology continues, you'll see prices come down and you'll see its proliferation expand to where you're surrounded by driverless technologies and you're surrounded by autonomous technologies in retail environments and other regular business applications. For a quick recap, we already live in a highly automated world. The addition of sensors that can perceive the world similar to humans and the addition of AI that can interpret those sensors the way a human brain does take us to an autonomous future. And as autonomy starts to become more common around us, we're going to enjoy the benefits such as increased safety, increased efficiency, and flexible machine systems around us that can anticipate the changing environment and keep up with the times. With autonomy being such an important feature of our society, we're going to drill down a little bit in our next video and talk about some of the important aspects of autonomy.